explorer, the explorer, the explorer, Dora, Dora, the explorer.
She fell into the quicksand, and now she is no more.
Dora, Dora, the explorer.
She tangled with a lion's cub, now she's nothing more than gore.
Her parachute didn't open.
She plummeted to the ground, though she thought that she would soar.
She played with matches
She was overcome by smoke.
when she failed to reach the door. Dora, Dora, the explorer.
She fell into the river, and she never reached the shore.
Dora, Dora, the explorer.
She drank some poison, she lies there on the floor.
She was reading and walking.
Broke her skull on a stone, didn't look where she was going.
She was eating and talking.
She choked on a bone.
Now she never leaves her home. Dora, Dora, the explorer.
Crossed a rotted rope bridge and fell into a gorge.
Dora, Dora, the explorer.
Stuck her finger in an outlet and was grounded evermore.
She swung on a vine.
The crocodiles beneath her upon Dora did dine.
She played in the rain
A bolt of lightning found her out.
and laid for Dora's home. Dora, Dora, the explorer.
She fell in a volcano and she sank into the core.
Dora, Dora, the explorer.
She went into a jaguar's den and came out nevermore.
The desert was wide.
She ran out of water. The vultures found her hide.
She sat on a scorpion
The venom dropped her swiftly.
and Dora's melted bone. Dora, Dora, the explorer.
Though she tried to get away and jumped, she was gored.
Dora, Dora, the explorer.
She walked on the train tracks, never guessed what was in store.
She played with some snakes.
Red next to yellow, what was it?
She wasn't sure to rescue a puppy,
She ran into traffic.
and so went into lore. Dora, Dora, the explorer.
Put her hand in a strange hole and found what it was for.
Dora, Dora, the explorer.
Attended the World Cup and was traveled by for a score.
Dora, Dora, the explorer.
She ran with scissors. Need I say more?
Dora, Dora, the explorer.
Ought have been more careful when she went out to explore.
Oh, Dora.